Alright, look kid, here's what you need to do. That plastic electrical connector that's fucking keeping you from pulling that starter out, you need to just fucking cut that fucker out. Get yourself a set of these. Just fucking snip it, throw that fucker over your shoulder. Strip the wires. Right? So this is the wire, what's attached to your starter solenoid, right? Move it from your old starter over to your new starter on the bench. Give the wires a little twist. You need to pick yourself up a pack of these. They're called butt connectors. Get a selection of red and blue ones. While it's still on the bench, stuff that fucker in there. Give her a crank. Maybe give her a little bit more crank than that. Give her a good crank. Crawl up under the car, bolt the starter in first. Once the starter's bolted in and you're not fucking juggling that thing anymore, strip the wire that goes up to the harness, stuff that, give it a good little twist, stuff that into the butt connector, give her a crank. Right, now you're straight wired. Now, you'll say, Dad, but you can't take it apart anymore. And I say, son, it's not your problem. You have 246 million miles on that thing. This is the next guy's problem. You're putting a brand new starter in. I mean, that's about all I can say about that. There's your fix right there. Don't fuck around. It's a bunch of frustration and heartache. Just cut that fucking connector out of there, butt splice it together, start living your life.